JJLEE squad, what is up? It's your boy Jordan. I'm back with another video. Right now, I'm currently outside with a mask, installing some hood pins, bro. Some quick latch hood pins. Right now, I got the holes drilled already. I want to go ahead and get that straight up. Got one in, got chosen spot right there, bro. These are from Amazon. They were $40. So, got that baby in. I got it set. Got the hole drilled. Tools, this little circular saw, bro. Got that. So I need to make that hole bigger so I can fit the thing there. So I'm gonna drill another side in. But the only reason I'm doing this is because I'm going about 100 to 120 on the highway. You can see this hood, like just do like that. And I'm like, hell, I ain't doing the replay because y'all can see that window is cracked and destroyed because my old hood flew up on the tow truck. So we're gonna get this fixed. I got fiberglass everywhere, but let me see the name of these. I can't even say that. Rubicon. But that's all we doing. I got that, and I'm gonna get that and make sure that's tight, bro. Look like we doing pretty good. So yeah, that side is in, closes and latches. And that's honestly it. So I wanted to go ahead and pick up the camera real quick and show y'all what I'm doing. So y'all can see, ain't no going back once there's a whole hole in your head. Okay. So like I said, I use toothpaste to guide so I can get the perfect spot to drill that matches where the hood pin is gonna go straight through. So tools you're gonna need, I ordered from Amazon, circular saw. I think that was 1 1/4. That one was kind of too small, so I'll probably say go up a size. Then that size, I say probably go up a size too. I think that is a 2-inch. Yeah, it's a 2-inch, so it'll really get 2.5, and then get, I don't know about this one. There you go. Yeah, 1 1/4, 32 millimeters. I'll probably say go up a 1/2 inch, bro. And then it will do the perfect holes. So I'm having to grace of God get these holes right. So, but as y'all can see right here, it's in there and it's not moving, so we good. So yeah, that's about it, man. I probably I think I got some Loctite. That baby's in there good already, so I don't want to touch it. So I'll probably put Loctite on the other one, a couple of little Loctite on those too, just to snug it down. But like I said, demon hood with hood pins. Gonna look pretty cool, a little aggressive to hardly the bolts on the side. So I was like, safety and to have it looking good, bro. Let's get some quick latch hood pins, bro. I don't like the other hood pins with the cord and stuff like that. I ain't got time for that, bro. But yeah, I'll get back when I'm successfully done with them. Cause hey, I need to focus, mommy. I need to focus. But yeah, wear a mask because you do not want to be breathing in fiberglass. So I am. Of course, I'm gonna clean up my mess. I'm gonna get my little shop back and vacuum everything. But that's about it, man. I'll be back. JJLEE squad, what is up? Your boy is finally done. Got everything put back on, cleaned up, vacuumed. Now let me turn this camera around. The hood is closed, and we're gonna do it. So I can see hood pin installed. Hood pin installed. Hood pin installed. So we're gonna open the hood and I'm gonna show you. Smack. Hope that ain't getting reach. I just popped it open, right? You can see. Look, see that? Nothing. So we're gonna click that bitch. See? There's one. I like it kind of hard too. So that means it's on there. Click it, both of them. Popped up. And just like that. So fully installed, looking good, bro. Come over here, like I said, drilled the hole, did that, put a lock screw in there so this baby is not going nowhere, bro. So that's good. Have to bounce this up a little bit, bounce this one up a little bit, and then we Gucci, as y'all can see. So we done with it. Quick little install. Wasn't too hard, bro, honestly. It's pretty much, you just gotta make sure it's in the right place. Make sure it's in the right place, and then that's pretty much it, really. Just drilling, make sure it's the right size, it's better to drill small than just a big hole you can't fix. So, but like I said, we all set. This baby's looking good. I wanted to get y'all a quick little install because that's been bothering me since I got this hood. It's a good hood, but other than it shaking in the wind, I can't do that. So, guarantee, I know it says get hood pins, bro, but like, hey, get some hood pins. I'm not lying. Get some hood pins. But yeah, like I said, everything's fully back on. Like the check over stuff, I vacuumed up all the fiberglass up out of there, bro. So we good on that. So yeah, like I said, looks good, looks neat. Shaking it, it ain't going nowhere. So like I said, step back, look up under there, we're Gucci. So yeah. Other than that, man, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I hope y'all enjoyed that little new intro I put up in the front of this video. I got tired of the word saying JJLEE Productions 2. Shout out to my boy Roel. He told me, he was like, bro, you gotta put that as the intro. I was like, bro, duh. Found some copyright free music, threw it in the front. So I hope y'all enjoyed that too. So, and then, I think yeah, the new intro. No, not the intro, the outro. There you go. The new outro should be on point too, because I just cut that in half, showed that. But other than that, we set, we Gucci. Hope y'all enjoyed the new video. Remember to like, subscribe, favorite, share, and I will catch y'all later. Peace.